Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
Huevos rancheros.
which means a breakfast dish consisting of eggs cooked in a sauce made from tomatoes, peppers, and onions. Let's say it all together.
Huevos rancheros.
One more time.
Huevos rancheros.
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one.
Huevos. Ros.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.